Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to unhide a candidate on Ziprecruiter. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ziprecruiter employer account, which of course I've done right here. I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. It's AI matching, finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to unhide a candidate on Ziprecruiter. So let's say you hid a candidate and you want to unhide a candidate. Here's exactly what you should do. From this homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen where you have this dashboard, jobs, candidate, and invite to apply, resume database, messages, help, and activate. So head over to candidates, and once you click on candidates, then you're going to find all of these options listed in menu that says all candidates, great match, new, unrated, interested, unsure, and hidden. So go ahead and click on hidden. And once you click on hidden, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to find a list of all the hidden candidates that you actually hid. But right now, that's not open because I can't use that feature because I'm not subscribed to the Ziprecruiter Premium. But if you want to do it, just go ahead and subscribe and head over to that window again. So once you have subscribed, follow through with Try Premium for free to subscribe. And you go over to this dashboard again, click on candidates, and once you click on candidates, click on hidden, and you'll find a list of all the hidden candidates. So here's how you can unhide them. So once you have found your hidden candidates, so here you go, candidates hidden, and it's going to take you here. So on the candidate page, you see a list of your hidden candidates. Now, select the checkbox to the left of the candidate's name whom you would like to unhide. So let's say you have a candidate name called Serge, and you find this checkbox. So this candidate has been hidden already. That's why this eye icon is blocked. So you find a checkbox. So go ahead and click on the checkbox. Once you click on the checkbox, a pop-up menu will appear. So once it does that, select unhide from the available options. So click on the checkbox and you have this pop-up menu here that says email candidates, email rejection letter, down to unhide. So click on unhide. And once you click on unhide, that candidate will be removed from your hidden list. All right, so this is pretty much how you can unhide a candidate on Ziprecruiters. And I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.